Have you been struggling with your writing or a class and need tutoring but don't have the time to go onto campus to get it? In your Beach Board, there's a program that offers tutoring on writing and certain subjects for SSS students. To access this program, you need to log into Beach Board. Once you're logged in, look for the square icon next to the messages icon. Click on that icon and scroll down to the pop-down menu to Smart Thinking. Click on Smart Thinking, which will lead you to a system check. Click on the Continue button on the bottom left of your screen. Once you're on the main page of Smart Thinking, you may now choose what you want to get tutoring on. If you click on Writing, it will be under the Writing Help tab. For other classes, you must click the Tutoring tab and then look for what you need tutoring on. Once you've started your tutoring, you will find it under the My Sessions tab. Next, you will go to the Tutoring tab. Make sure that your settings on the left is in the drop-in option and choose the subject that you will need help on. After you choose the subject, it will take you to another screen where a whiteboard will appear on your left, as well as a chat section to your right. Once you type in your question on the whiteboard, you'll wait for the tutor to enter the chat and answer your question. You could also get help by submitting a help ticket. You can submit a question to the tutor in the chat and they will send you an answer within a day or two to your email. If you need more help or have any questions, feel free to send us an email or give us a call. Follow us on social media platforms for more updates. Thank you for watching and happy learning.